To display upcoming events on the widget bar on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add upcoming event widget to the widget bar on your lock screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the widget bar, tap calendar. Here you can choose which upcoming event widget style you like to use. There are two styles available. The simple one that will show when the upcoming event starts, and the detailed one that will show you when the upcoming event starts, the name of the event, and the event duration. As the example, we will use the detailed one. Tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, now your phone will display the upcoming event information on the widget bar below the lock screen clock. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.